Hi, guys. So, this week we're going to talk about homographs. Um, so, a homograph is a word that where there's two words that have the same spelling but different meanings. So, some homographs have different pronunciations. So, um, it's two. There are two words that look exactly the same. They're spelled the same way, but they mean different things or they could be pronounced different. So, like the words read and read, spelled the same, pronounced differently. Um, so, a homograph is they have separate entries in a dictionary. So we looked at a dictionary before, and some words had more than one definition. So those are words that are homographs because there's more than one meaning for that word, but the same spelling. So if we look at the first one, we can see Jan is kind to animals and likes to help them. What kind of food do you like? So the homograph in this sentence is kind. It's used in both, but in the first one, it means that you're nice or friendly. So Jan is nice and friendly to animals. And in the second one, it means what kind, what specific thing, what specific food do you want? Okay? So spelled the same, sounds the same, but completely different meanings. Okay? The second one is we store our winter clothes in the attic. Mom went to the grocery store last night. So we have the words store and store. So the first store is we store our winter clothes. So that means we're going to put our clothes away, put them away. And then in the second one says Mom went to the grocery store. That means that she went to a shop, a place where you can buy things. Okay. Third one, Grandma bought a pound of cheese at the deli. Or Dad used the hammer to pound the nails. So Grandma bought a pound. So our homophone is pound. Both used in the same, both spelled the same, both used in sounding the same in the sentences, but different meanings. So Grandma bought a pound. That means it's a measurement. So just like an ounce or a cup of cheese. Okay, and then the second says Dad used the hammer to pound. So that means like he hit the hammer really hard to pound, hit in the nails. Okay. 4, kick the ball when I throw it. Susie wore a pretty dress to the ball. So our homophone is ball, spelled the same, sounds the same. Kick the ball, that's like a round toy like when you play soccer. And then Susie wore a pretty dress to the ball. That means that it's a fancy dance that you might go to, like when you get older, you would go to a dance. Okay? And the last one, my favorite flower is a red rose. The sun rose in the sky. So our homophone is rose. Our first one is a flower. It's a specific type of flower. And the second one is the sun rose. So that means that the sun came up. It went higher. So two different, each one of those is a different meaning, but spelled the same, sounds the same. Sometimes they could have different pronunciations, but most of the time they're pronounced exactly the same.